I'm very excited to walk through the new Articulation Hub pages. So once you log on to Speech Therapy Talk membership, you can click on Artic Hub pages. Then you have a new page for every single sound, as well as blends, multisyllable words, and vowels. Let's say you need K materials. You go down and click on K, and then you have everything that you need on this page. So let's quickly just go through it. So you can start with screening materials, and you can take some informal data here. You have some paper options, or these quick decks where you can just take some quick data. Then you have the teaching materials, which goes through how to say the sound, warm-up sheets, handouts for parents, drill warm-ups. You have cue cards, lots of different options for cue cards in print and no print form. So you can send them home. You can also use them during therapy sessions. Then we have our flashcards. We always need flashcards. You have printable flashcard options, no print flashcard options, which all have real images, which is really motivating for the kids, and you can also use for older children as well, and leveled flashcards. Then we get to the phonology and phonological awareness materials. So for K, we have fronting materials in print and no print form, devoicing materials, minimal pairs, cluster reduction, and then we have our phonological awareness materials. So using K, but in phonological awareness tasks. Then we have our drill games. I use these all the time at the beginning of sessions just to get some quick practice. And we have lots of options for those. They're really motivating. We have printable K games and no print K games that you can use in sessions or send home. We have worksheets, cut and paste worksheets. My kids really like these, and dot sheets, smash mats, coloring sheets, sentence level practices. Then we have our language-based games. Personally, I love language-based games because they're great for mixed groups, but they're also really good for generalization because you can up the language task while continuing to practice K. And then we have our no print materials for language games, and then it goes through all the different sounds, all the different blends that have K in them. And again, you have the printable materials, the no print materials, flashcards to send home, games, and things like that. So if you are a member, please sign in, check out these pages. If not, you can go to members-speechtherapytalk.com to learn more. Thank you.